The Attorney General, Abubakar Malami, not complying with the Happy Court orders over Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release is as good as the federal government of Nigeria do not even understand our laws. Releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will bring a total healing to Nigeria, the Southeast precisely. Governor Soludo states. It's funny, it's really very funny. You know, say then they talk, say Nigerians go talk, say anything when not dey possible for this country called Nigeria, now be say that thing not dey exist for this planet Earth. You understand? It's really very, very funny. You know, there are some certain things people will talk. You could say, I beg, not talk that thing. That kind of thing not going to happen. But in this country, all these things will be displayed. The government, or can I say the authorities, they have this, na me get the yam, na me get the cutlass, anyhow I like. Now I go use them. But this authority, these people are really, or trying to dish out. It's not helping out. It's not helping out. It's bringing us back. Since these agitations in Nigeria, since it started, this Nnamdi Kanu agitation in the Southeast region, the way the Nigerian government has been handling it, they are the one escalating this issue. You understand? They are trying, to do everything by force. But this matter is a very sensitive one. You know me say you too big, make you sit down with people who are aggrieved. If the government can sit down with bandits and Boko Haram and negotiate with them, so why can't they do that also with the IPOB leader and other agitators who are aggrieved in Nigeria? This is not good at all. You understand? On the 13th of October, the Appeal Court in Abuja ruled that the rendition of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, was illegal and therefore he should be discharged and acquitted. The court was ruling in the appeal filed by Kanu, challenging the criminal charges against him. In the update on the court ruling provided by Kanu's lawyer, Ifeanyi AGF, he said, update, Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's abduction and extraordinary rendition from Kenya is declared illegal and consequently constitutes a bar to further proceeding or trial. Court held that it was done in clear and egregious violation of extant international laws. There is no justification whatsoever. The warrant of arrest issued in Nigeria cannot justify the illegality in the abduction and extraordinary rendition of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Happy Court allow Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu discharged and acquitted. We have won. Victory, victory, victory. He had said. After some hours, the AGF Abubakar Malami have said that it's not over for the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, as the President Muhammadu Buhari-led government has claimed that Kanu is only discharged but not acquitted by the Court of Appeal Judgement. The government, in a reaction on Thursday, said it will exploit all other legal options open in the judgment to pursue Kanu's trial, adding that his case before extraordinary rendition was still valid. The AGF, Abubakar Malami, stated this in a statement he issued through his special assistant on media, Omar Gwandu. Malami said that other issues that predated rendition on the base of which Kanu jump bail remain valid issues for judiciary determination, and the federal government was still studying the judgment. The statement reads, the office of the AGF has received the news of the decision of the Court of Appeal concerning the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. For the avoidance of doubt, and by the verdict of the court, Kanu was only discharged and not acquitted. Consequently, the appropriate legal options before the authorities will be exploited and communicated accordingly to the public. The decision handed down by the Court of Appeal was on a single issue that borders on rendition. Let it be made clear to the general public that other issues that predate rendition on the basis of which Kanu jump bail will remain valid issues for judiciary determination. The federal government will consider all available options open to us on the judgment on rendition while pursuing determination of pre-rendition issues, the statement added. And since that very day, Nigerians don't they talk, even lawyers, they don't they tell this AGF say, e be like say he don't know anything. Because if really he knows the law, he should have understand that extraordinary rendition is a serious matter. You understand? And Nigeria partake on that. You understand it. So that would have given him the clue that the government here stands to have no case with the IPOB leader. But for the fact that according to so many people, that because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is from that particular region, they have to drag him. Maybe they have a personal issues with him. Not that he has committed crimes against the country. Because if the courts can discharge him, why is AGF still holding on this? I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment.